Good morning, Standard 8 students. Today in English Literature, I am going to start a new chapter, that is Unit 3B. It is a poem and the name of the poem is Bharat Our Land. This poem is written by Chinnaswamy Subramania Bharati. Before going to start this poem, let me tell you something about the poet. Chinnaswamy Subramania Bharati was born on 11 December 1882 and died on 11 September 1921. He was an Indian writer, poet and journalist. He was an independence activist and social reformer from Tamil Nadu. He is popularly known as Mahatma Bharati. So, let me start the poem. Here is the poem. Stay with me. Now, dear students, here you can see Unit 3B, Bharat Our Land. Let me read out the first stanza of this poem. The mighty Himavant is ours. There is no equal anywhere on earth. So here the poet showed his love towards his country. He told that the mighty Himalaya is ours and there is no other such type of mountain in the world. The generous Ganga is ours. Which other river can match her grace? So he told that Ganga, generous Ganga is ours. No other river can match with this generous river Ganga. The sacred Upanishads are ours. What scripture else to name with them? He told that the sacred Upanishads is our own. And what scripture else to name with them? There is no other book like Upanishads. This sunny golden land is ours. She is peerless. Let's praise her. So here you see the poet has described his own land, own mother land, that is India, that we call to be as a Bharat. So here he has described that what are there in the India. None of the country, none of the place you will find these type of things like Himalayas, river Ganga, Upanishads. You will not find. Only you will find where? That is in our Bharat. Gallant warriors have lived here. Many a sage has sanctified his land, this land. The divinest music has been heard here, and here all auspicious things are found. Here Brahma knowledge has taken root, and the Buddha preached his Dhamma here. Of hoary antiquity is Bharat. She is peerless, let's praise her. So here the poet described that gallant warriors, the brave warriors lived in this land. Many a sage has sanctified this land. The divinest music has been heard here. So we can hear the divine music in our country, Bharat. And many auspicious things are found in Bharat. Here Brahma knowledge has taken root, and the Buddha preached his Dhamma here. So here in this country, Buddha preached. Buddha was born and he preached his Dhamma. Of very antiquity is Bharat. She is peerless, let's praise her. So in all respects, Bharat is one and only where we can find all these things. And we should praise to our motherland. I hope you have understood the poem that I have taught you today. More I will teach you from this poem. So stay with me for the next video. So have a nice day. Thank you.